Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Taskbar settings. Right-click the taskbar and select Taskbar settings so you access control quickly. Once done, make sure you enable showing overflow or hidden icons so they appear for removal. You need to identify the specific hidden icon, knowing what process or app it belongs to prevents accidental removals. This early step lets you act immediately on the right target and avoids chasing the wrong process later. Next, open the overflow tray by clicking the caret. This exposes hidden icons. You can remove an icon by dragging it out of the tray or right-clicking and choosing Remove from this list. This deletes the shortcut from the notification area. If the app keeps reappearing, open that application's own settings and disable its notification or system tray option, because many apps re-add icons until their internal setting is turned off. Finally, complete the cleanup by restarting Windows Explorer in Task Manager if icons stubbornly remain. That forces the notification area to refresh. If the icon recreates itself, consider uninstalling or disabling the app, because persistent icons often reflect an active service. As a key troubleshooting tip, check startup apps and disable auto-launch for the icon's owner so it won't reappear. This prevents recurrence without removing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.